So I guess this is episode 2. This is gonna be just a sort of unboxing of stuff that I've been getting from Yahoo Auctions, I guess. It's not a lot, so it's gonna be quite a short video. And in the next one, I'll be taking the exhaust off. It's super light, so let's see what it is. Oh man. First thing is I believe this is a Mazda Speed front tower bar. I'm pretty sure this isn't stock, but I'll definitely keep it once I clean it. I might repaint it. It's kind of old looking. This stuff I don't know how I'll clean, but it should clean up pretty nice. Rear tower bar. There's the Mazda Speed. So I guess these are supposed to connect. There's that in the back. Guess it's fiberglass. And I'm pretty sure this is for 60mm gauges. I'm not too sure yet. I'll have to measure it, but so there are all the parts I got. Can't wait till this is in the car. So here are 2 packages I got today. One of them is from Japan. The other one is from Mazda Chicks. Start with the Mazda Chick one. So got a clutch slave hose. Awesome. And the main thing in here, all the bushings that I'm gonna need for this for restoring this car, I guess. Let's open up the box. There's quite a lot of stuff in here. Cool, everything's labeled, so it's gonna make it a lot easier. Next up, box from Japan. It's pretty light. I know what's in here, so of course, very important. Let's start with this one. And these are the, I don't know if you can see that. These are the, I think they're called, well, at least in the Yahoo Auctions thing, they were called stopper washers. And this is for the subframe, actually, so that'll be the first thing to go on. And last but not least, tiny little box. But check that out. That is almost brand new. This thing is super small though. I don't know if you can see it. It's carbon fiber, super light, but also super small. It's cool though. This is the end of episode 2. I should have put this video out a long time ago. I have enough for like 7 or 8 episodes more. I'm gonna try and edit them quickly and get them out. Right now I'm in the process of taking out that nightmare. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.